In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question using our fast using a T84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so the question says a circular lid to a jar has a radius of 3 whole number 1/2 inches. Find the area of the lid. Alright, so guys, this question involves circle. So basically, all you need here is to know the formula for area of a circle and apply it, and you will get the correct answer. So the radius is 3 whole number 1/2. So let's convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So it will be 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, that's 7/2. So it's now an improper fraction, which is 7/2. So let's simplify now. The area of a circle is pi r square. So it's going to be a fraction first. Let's open bracket first, then alpha window. Alright, this is fraction 1. Alright, 7/2. Alright, then we have square. This is the radius, pi r square. Let's put pi now. We bring up pi per second and this button. And pi will come out. So that's it, guys. Pi r square. This is the application. Let's press enter to see the output. 38.48. So basically check the options for anyone that will give you 38.48. Alright, but when looking at the options we have here, you can easily decode that the correct option will be option C, which is 49/4 pi square. Alright, so let's simplify option C, guys. Remember we got 38.48 here. So in fraction again, alpha window, fraction 1. So we have 49/4. Then put the pi. That's all. Press enter. 38.48 exactly. So the correct option is what? Option C. This is basically how you can solve this kind of problem using the T84 plus scientific calculator for ACT math question. Alright, very simple. Let's go to the video, guys. I hope you learned something interesting. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you subscribe to my channel for more of my videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, so now click on the end screen above, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. So clear this.